In which script were the imperial titles of Cadphises II inscribed on his coins? A. Kharoshthi, B. Greek, C. Brahmi, D. Devanagari. The correct answer is A. Kharoshthi. Inscriptions in which temples show Pallav's interest in music? A. Kudumiyanmalai and Thirumiyam, B. Rameshwaram and Kanchipuram, C. Chidambaram and Srirangam, D. Tanjavur and Madurai. The correct answer is A. Kudumiyanmalai and Thirumiyam. What was the presiding deity of the Mullai landscape according to Tholkappiyam? A. Indiran, B. Murugan, C. Skotravai, D. Thirumal. The correct answer is D. Thirumal. Which monument is located in Rajasthan? A. Khajuraho, B. Dilwara, C. Konark, D. Virupaksha. The correct answer is B. Dilwara. What does the term predominantly mean? A. Mainly, B. Rarely, C. Slightly, D. Occasionally. The correct answer is A. Mainly. Where were the life-size statues of Buddha at Bamyan Valley located? A. Central Afghanistan, B. Eastern Punjab, C. Southern India, D. Western Pakistan. The correct answer is A. Central Afghanistan. What specific duties related to revenue collection did the committees perform? A. Collecting property taxes, B. Collecting pilgrimage taxes, C. Collecting professional taxes, D. Collecting excise and custom duties. The correct answer is D. Collecting excise and custom duties. What deepened the frustration of the German people after World War I? A. The Great Depression, B. The expansion of the German Empire, C. The rise of socialism, D. The establishment of the Weimar Republic. The correct answer is A. The Great Depression. Which political party won a landslide victory in Britain, leading to Clement Attlee becoming Prime Minister? A. Conservative Party, B. Labour Party, C. Liberal Democrats, D. Green Party. The correct answer is B. Labour Party. What other sources provide information on early Tamil society besides archaeological findings? A. Non-Tamil literary sources, B. Oral traditions only, C. Modern historical analysis, D. Scientific reports. The correct answer is A. Non-Tamil literary sources. What type of government was characteristic of kingdoms? A. Centralized government, B. Republic system, C. Democratic rule, D. Decentralized authority. The correct answer is A. Centralized government. What change in policy regarding foreign investments is mentioned? A. It welcomed foreign investments, B. It abolished foreign investments, C. It ignored foreign investments, D. It restricted foreign investments. The correct answer is A. It welcomed foreign investments. What new institution came into existence in continental Europe in the beginning of the 9th century AD? A. The Christian Republic, B. The Holy Roman Empire, C. The Old Roman Empire, D. The Papal States. The correct answer is B. The Holy Roman Empire. Pulitheva was a Palyakkarar from which general region? A. Northern Tamil Nadu, B. Eastern Tamil Nadu. C. Southern Tamil Nadu. D. Western Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is C. Southern Tamil Nadu. Which cities saw the enactment of legislative measures soon after they were sought? A. Bombay and Madras. B. Calcutta and Delhi. C. Bangalore and Hyderabad. D. Pune and Ahmedabad. The correct answer is A. Bombay and Madras. What type of tenure were the Palayams held in? A. Economic. B. Religious. C. Civil. D. Military. The correct answer is D. Military. What was Genghis Khan's primary skill? A. Architecture. B. Military genius. C. Diplomacy. D. Agriculture. The correct answer is B. Military genius. What flower was the garland of the Cholas? A. Palmyra flower. B. Margosa. C. Rose. D. Fig, Athi, flower. The correct answer is D. Fig, Athi, flower. What type of structures did Krishnadev build for harvesting rainwater? A. Huge irrigation tanks and reservoirs. B. Marketplaces and inns. C. Fortifications and palaces. D. Schools and libraries. The correct answer is A. Huge irrigation tanks and reservoirs. Which technological advancement is suggested by the text for the people preceding the Sangam age? A. Copper smelting. B. Bronze casting. C. Iron technology. D. Stone tool making. The correct answer is C. Iron technology. What is the meaning of Sangha in Buddhism? A. A meditation technique. B. A type of temple. C. A sacred scripture. D. An association for the propagation of faith. The correct answer is D. An association for the propagation of faith. Besides the Rajput, which other kingdoms' contributions to Indian culture are a learning objective? A. Mauryas. B. Guptas. C. Cholas. D. Palas. The correct answer is D. Palas. What protected the Indian rulers who entered into subsidiary alliances? A. Their subjects' loyalty. B. British arms. C. Their own armies. D. Other princely states. The correct answer is B. British arms. What was the League of Nations unable to do regarding the invasions? A. Mediate negotiations. B. Provide financial aid. C. Take any action. D. Organize a blockade. The correct answer is C. Take any action. Which theory did the Ajivikas reject? A. The cycle of rebirth. B. The karma theory. C. The concept of nirvana. D. Divine intervention. The correct answer is B. The karma theory. What was Europe divided into after the events described? A. Democratic and authoritarian. B. Communist and non-communist. C. East and West. D. Allied and Axis. The correct answer is B. Communist and non-communist. In which year did the Deccan riots begin? A. 1873. Born in 1857. Circa 1917. D. 1921. The correct answer is A. 1873. How many pieces of cloth did people commonly wear? A. 4. B. 2. C. 1. D. 3. The correct answer is B. 2. What was the primary role of the caliphs in international affairs? A. Cultural ambassadors. B. Religious leaders only. C. Economic advisors. D. Major players in international power politics. The correct answer is D. Major players in international power politics. Which district is situated directly south of Bellary? A. Kudappa. B. Chittoor. C. Kannur. D. Anantapur. The correct answer is D. Anantapur. How did you score?